Good day, everyone. Today, we'll be talking about data cleaning. So, for the team members, Carlos Lucumel P, Legaspi John Daniel G, Oliveros Ned Aaron A, Rodenas Nathaniel O. So, introduction. Data cleaning is a process of finding and correcting errors in raw data to improve its quality. In simple terms, it's all about making sure our data is accurate, complete, and reliable before we use it for analysis or decision making. This process is very important because it is a foundational step in data management. Clean data helps ensure that any results or insights we get are trustworthy. It also plays a big role in the success of AI and other data driven projects, since machines and models can only perform well when given clean, consistent data.
Importance of data cleaning. Organizations that have clean, well managed data are better able to make trustworthy, data driven decisions, react quickly to changes in the market, and optimize workflow processes. Since data transformation transforms high quality raw data into a format that can be used for analysis, data cleansing is a crucial initial step in data science. Organizations can employ data warehouses, big data analytics, and business intelligence by utilizing data information. These techniques and technologies may produce incorrect or inaccurate results if the source data is dirty, which could result in bad choices and efficiencies. The success of AI and machine learning in a company is also dependent on clean data. Data cleansing, for example, guarantees that machine learning algorithms are trained on reliable, consistent, and objective datasets. Algorithms may provide erroneous, inconsistent, or biased predictions in the absence of this foundation of clean data, which would lower the efficacy and dependability of decision making. Next slide, please. Benefits of data cleaning. First is informed decision making. Clean, high quality data increases the likelihood that decisions will be successful and in line with corporate objectives. On the other hand, making business decisions based on dirty data, that is, data that contains duplicate information, typos, or inconsistencies, can lead to resource waste, missed opportunities, or strategic errors. Next is improved productivity. Employees can expedite data processing by spending less time correcting errors and inconsistencies when the data is clean. Teams then have more time to concentrate on insights and data analysis. Next slide, please. Cost efficient. Costly mistakes like overstocking inventory because of duplicate records or misinterpreting customer behavior because of inadequate data might result from poor data quality. By preventing these mistakes, data cleaning lowers operational risks and saves money. Fourth one is data compliance and security. By maintaining current and accurate data, clean data can assist firms in adhering to data protection laws such as the GDPR or General Data Protection Regulation of the UE. Additionally, it lowers security concerns by preventing the unintentional retention of sensitive or redundant data. Next slide. Fifth one is the enhanced model performance. For machine learning models to be trained effectively, data must be clean. Clean data ensures that models generalize well to new data, improving output accuracy and producing more reliable prediction. Last one is improved data consistency. Data cleaning ensures that merged data remains uniform and functional across different systems, avoiding problems caused by mismatched formats or standards. This process is vital for data integration as clean and standardized data enables various systems to interact and exchange information smoothly. Next presenter.
So here are the common problems in raw data. So the first one is missing data. Second is incomplete data. Third is duplicate records. Fourth is typographical errors. Fifth is wrong information. Six is outdated information. And last is incorrect data types or formats. Next.
So here are the steps in data cleaning. So step one is remove duplicates. This means eliminating repeated entries to keep our data unique and accurate. For step two, we handle the missing values. We deal with incomplete data by either filling in the missing parts or removing those records entirely. So for step three, standardize data formats. Here we make sure that dates, numbers, and text follow a consistent format across the dataset. For step four, correct errors. This step involves fixing incorrect or unusual values that might affect our analysis results. And for the last step, step five, validate data. Finally, we check and confirm that all data is accurate, consistent, and ready to be used for analysis or reporting. Overall, these steps ensure that our data is clean, consistent, and reliable, helping organizations make better and more confident decisions.
So here are the tools that is used for data cleaning. First is Microsoft Excel. Second is Google Sheets, Python, Pandas library, R programming language, OpenRefine, and SQL queries. Next report.
Now we're going to talk about relationship of data cleaning to data warehousing. Data cleaning plays a vital role in the data warehousing process. A data warehouse collects and integrates information from multiple sources, such as operational databases, applications, and external systems. However, the data coming from these sources is often messy. It can contain duplicates, missing values, inconsistent formats, or even errors. That's where data cleaning comes in. Before loading data into the warehouse, the cleaning process ensures that all information is accurate, consistent, and reliable. It removes duplicates, standardizes formats, corrects errors, and fills in missing values. By doing this, data cleaning ensures that only high quality data is stored in the warehouse. This makes the data organized and trustworthy for analysis, reporting, and decision making. In short, data cleaning is the foundation of a successful data warehouse. Without it, the warehouse would store unreliable information, leading to poor insights and wrong business decisions. That's all. Thank you for listening.
So that is it for the data cleaning presentation. Thank you for listening.